everyone, and welcome to ELYVIRA'S kitchen today. Hope everyone is having a blessed day. I know I am. Went out looking for some clothes today, and I found out that I'm down to size 14. Yes, a medium shirt. I never thought I'd see those again since college. And I started at 310, just to let everybody know, and I'm down to 183. My goal is 140. Today I'm going to show you how to make a healthy meatloaf, and we're going to add a pound of our ground turkey here. And we're going to cut up an onion. Let's chop this up. And then we're going to put some fresh cilantro. I use fresh cilantro and parsley and everything, you'll see. I just like the taste of it. Yeah, I went out today. I was looking for clothes because I really don't have any. And I was really proud of myself because it's really hard work. But one thing I've learned over the last year with working with my trainers and learning how to cook healthy is you just take regular recipes and you make them into healthy stuff. It's not like you have to have all the fat stuff in there. And I have taken a lot of that. And for my meatloaf, one slice is 160 calories. I'm going to bake it on 350 for about a half hour, 40 minutes. I don't use any liquid. I just grease the pan. I chop the onion, as you can see, real fine here. And this is also in my cookbook. And then I throw a couple tablespoons of lemon juice, which is a couple tablespoons. And then let's put this in here. Oh, a couple tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce and soy sauce. Worcestershire. Like I said, I don't measure anymore, but I pretty much know 2 tablespoons because I do it enough. So, I'm going to chop that up. We're going to put the onion in. I used to put bread in it, but I try not to put bread in it anymore because of the carbs. So I've tried to make it more healthier, and this way I found is a lot more healthier and stuff. Cut up the cilantro here and the parsley. Ooh, that onion's always strong. And you could put bread if you want, but I try to get off the carbs because some weeks, you know, I got to weigh in the next couple weeks, and I had to be 170 on this fitness thing that I did. And when I went to go get some clothes today, I have to travel for work coming up, so. But I was proud of myself, and I wanted to share that little tidbit because just from healthy eating and cooking right, it can be done. Yeah, I work out, but I needed the extra momentum because I was just too obese, and I knew that if I didn't do this, I would probably be dead right now, which they told me I would, and I don't really want to die. I mean, we're all going to die one day, but I'd like to live my life healthier, and I have been. So, we're going to slice this up. Then we're going to crack an egg in it, 1 egg. And we're going to put some mushrooms in there. About a handful. It's about 30 calories. A couple handfuls is 30. Just chop those up real fine. And if you use the soy sauce, lemon juice and the Worcestershire sauce, it does keep your meatloaf very moist, and you don't need all that carbs. That's what I like about it. You don't need all that extra carbs, all that extra stuff. And then we're going to take about 3 handfuls of spinach. And make a mess as I normally do. 2. And this is about 40 calories right here. Just to let everybody know. Because 3 cups of spinach is 20 calories. So. And we're going to we're just gonna mix it up. I'm gonna bake it. It's mixed up here. So that's what we're doing here. And then I gotta get some salt and pepper. And we're probably gonna have to add some more Worcestershire and lemon juice. So probably when you're done, you're probably gonna have like 4 tablespoons of each. And if you need more, that's fine. Like I told you before, I always season to taste. I season for what I like to taste, and each person has their own taste. How I might taste something, I had to get the things here. How I might taste and view something might not be how you like it. A little bit of lemon juice. And I do like the lemon juice because I just think it gives a good taste. Just throw it all in there. And when you think about it, soy sauce is 10 calories a tablespoon, so. And I probably used about 2 or 3 altogether. It has a good taste. And just to let you know, it stays moist the whole time because it's got all that moisture from everything. And you can season to taste. I mean, I do. So. And I just love spinach, and I guess that's why I use spinach in a lot of my stuff. Put that in. And if you want to add like maybe a bouillon cube to a tablespoon, to a cup of water, you can do that too. I usually don't, I just bake it. Sometimes I do though. Depends on what I'm looking for. And I greased my pan. Pans are ready to be greased. Put it in here. Wash my hands and I'll show you. There. Show you what it looks like. Go into the oven. And here you have it. I'm going to bake it for about a half hour. And it makes 8 slices. And that's what you have. 160 calories. Put this in the oven now. And there you have it, guys. A healthy meatloaf for 160 calories. This is Elvira saying have a great afternoon. I have another video that I'm going to be doing this weekend in a little while. I'm going to show you how to make a healthy vegetable fruit salad. And the first one's going to be a vegetable salad, and then the other one will be a fruit salad. Great. Have a great day. Bye.